Alright, let's get real. The 2024 Mini Cooper is not your average city car. Even the base model rocks a 1.5-liter turbo 3-cylinder cranking out 134 horsepower, enough to make this tiny hatchback feel zippy and alive. Step up to the Cooper S and you're looking at a 2.0-liter turbo pushing 189 horsepower, paired with a slick 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic that makes every gear shift feel like a tease. It's compact, sure, but this little guy rips through tight corners and twisty back roads like it's got a mind of its own. Visually, it's bold. The 2024 Mini Cooper can come tricked out with a custom body kit, widened fenders, and aggressive aero pieces that aren't just for looks. They actually help it stick to the pavement. The front splitter bites the air, the side skirts slice through wind, and the rear diffuser keeps the back end planted when you push it hard. Even the paint options are wild. From deep metallic blues to pearlescent whites, you can make this Mini absolutely yours. Underneath, the suspension is classic Mini. McPherson struts in the front, multi-link in the rear, tuned to balance comfort with razor-sharp handling. Add the JCW or Performance Pack, and the ride stiffens, the steering sharpens, and the whole car practically begs you to throw it into corners. Brakes bite hard, tires grip like glue, and every twist and turn gives instant feedback. The car communicates with you at every inch. The Mini Cooper has a few fun accolades, too. In European handling and safety tests, it impressed with exceptional wet road traction and high crash test ratings. In the US, Cooper S and JCW trims regularly show up at track days, local car meets, and even club competitions, where their compact size and nimble handling let them hold their own against bigger, pricier rides. And let's talk custom options. This is where Mini lets you go wild. From upgraded wheels and custom stripes to performance exhausts and suspension tweaks, you can make a Mini that's truly one of a kind. The JCW model cranks the engine up, tightens suspension, and gives that growl that makes people stop and stare. Even the Cooper S with the Performance Pack gets sharper throttle response and a sportier, more aggressive exhaust note. Driving a 2024 Mini Cooper is like playing a game with your senses. It's playful but confident, small but commanding, and somehow manages to feel both raw and refined. Every corner, every burst of acceleration, every slight tilt of the wheel delivers a thrill. You're not just moving from point A to B, you're experiencing the road, having fun, and making a statement. At the end of the day, the 2024 Mini Cooper is compact, charismatic, and unapologetically fun. Tiny on the outside, huge on personality, this car proves that size doesn't matter when the spirit is massive. It's bold, it's nimble, and it's ready to steal the spotlight every single time you get behind the wheel.